Nakabitikan sa manin, tatilan tamanin at arabide. Kumulding-kulding kamanin kayan, kung sana mapakulanin. Ay, nakabitikan sa manin, tatilan tamanin na sawsawin. Awan na din maarabilang tasyak, hindi ka isturbe. O di kaya di mamalo-malo, ang tigos kanta may katabarteng mo. Tangamin, may tepayod mo, yaka maakulun. O di kaya di mairubo, isa din mo nalabas sa palang bisyo. Baliwa mo, kita rin tapya ko, ititaat na pa'y dyan mo. Nakabitin niya sa manin, tatilet tamanin ar arabide. Kumulding-kulding kamanin kaya't o na sana mapakulanin. Ay, nakabitin ka sa manin, tatilet tamanin na sawsawin. Awan na din maarami lang na siyang hindi ka istudwe. O di kaya't hindi mamalo-malo, ang tigos kanta may katabarteng mo. Tangamin, may tepayud mo, yaka maakulun. Nudin kaya't hindi mairubo, isa din kung nalabis ang panagbisyo. Baliwa mo, kita rin tapya ko, itataan na pa'y tiyempo. Nudin kaya't di mamalo-malo, ang tigos kanta may katabarteng mo. Tangamin, day tapayud mo, yaka maakulun. Nudin kaya't di mairubo, isa ding manlalabis sa panagbisyo. Baliwa mo, kita rin tapya mo, ititaat na pa'y tiyempo. Baliwa mo, kita rin tapya mo, ititaat na pa'y tiyempo. Philippines has a great history according to our geography. Manila is the capital city, naging point from the other country. Metro Manila, Quezon City, Caloocan, Pasay, Makati, Marikina, Pasig, Zapote, Malabon, Las Piñas, Parañaque. From the north, Batanes, Apare, Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte, Isabela, Cagayan, Balik, Mountain Province, La Union, Baguio City, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, Tarlac, Pangasinan, Pampanga, Zambales, Bataan, Abra, Bulacan, Cavite, Batangas, Laguna. Now let's go to the southern Luzon, Camarines, Norte, Quezon, Albay, Camarines Sur, Catanduanes, Masbate, Sorsogon. And we add 3 islands more, Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon. Then down to Visaya Shore, there is storage sugar and coconut and corn. Cebu, Bataan, Mandawi, Bohol, Samar, Leyte, Iloilo, Capiz, Aklan, Antique, Alawan, Negros, Bacolod, Siquijor, Dumaguete. Now let's go to the land of promise, the land of Mindanao, Bukit, Zamboanga, Misamis, Mamao, Busan, Surigao, Cagayan de Oro, Iligan, Lusamis, and the 3 provinces of Davao, Davao, Sur, Oriental, del Norte, Cotabato, Lanao, Sulot, Tawi-Tawi. Philippines has a great history. Manila is the capital city. Although there's everybody to see, according to our geography, Philippines is a beautiful country. When I feel the time is right, and you stay by my side, the love you give to me makes my heart beat. When my balance is black and gray, but my feelings make me stay, I see the fire in your eyes, it makes my heart beat. go. Or you can show the best, just what I'm doing I did. And laughing till the coffee on the wall. You can turn my arms, go back into the mall. You can turn my feet to hit the floor. Or you can turn my lips, to turn my fingertips. They want to reach an apple to the wall. But don't turn my heart, my achy, breaky heart. I just don't think you understand. And if you turn my heart, my achy, breaky heart, then I know how to kill this man. You can tell your mom I moved to Arkansas. You can tell you don't do but my leg. We'll tell your brother Claire who biscuits on my lips and never really not me anywhere. Go tell your Aunt Louise to let it in your please. Myself already knows I'm not okay. Or you can tell my eye to wash up off my mind. When I've been walking up in one today. But don't tell my heart, my achy, breaky heart. I just don't think you understand. And if you tell my heart, my achy, breaky heart, then I know about the cutest man. But don't tell my heart, my achy, breaky heart. I just don't think you'd understand. And if you tell